Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of launcher on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of launcher on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.